In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the text chat feature on Roblox on your PlayStation 5, Xbox, or PC. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you don't know, Roblox did roll out an update that adds text chat for all platforms, including PlayStation 5, Xbox, and PC. Whatever it is, you name it. And unlike voice chat, which can be restricted by age, text chat is available for everyone. Like, for example, I'm currently on PlayStation 5, so let me walk you through how you can turn it in. So let me walk you through how you can turn it on. First, go ahead and press the options button on Roblox from the home page of whatever console you might be on, just to check to see if Roblox does have an update. By clicking this check for update button, it'll go ahead and load for a second, and then it'll either tell you that you need to update your game or that you have the latest game version installed. So I already have the latest version, I'm good to go. From here, go ahead and actually open up Roblox and go to the top right and click on these three dots here and go into your settings, and then go ahead and make sure that you have cross-platform play enabled just like so. If you don't have it enabled, this is not going to work. So make sure you go ahead and turn this on, and it's also going to let you talk to players on all platforms. Now from here, you just simply need to go ahead and load into any multiplayer game. It doesn't really matter which one you load into, and once you do go ahead and load into any of these games, I'm just going to choose this Build a Reef game, for example. You should already see the text box appear. If it's not there for you, go ahead and press the options button, and then go ahead and find this chat option, and as you can see, it's now going to pop up. Now in settings, I also recommend turning on auto translation. This way messages from players in other languages will appear in English for you. And if you still don't see the text chat yet, don't worry, it's still just rolling out. You should get it as soon as your next Roblox update does drop. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.